Hello everyone, this will be a video showing how to customize your PS1, how to adjust it, how to change it, how to theme it. This is my new PS1 here. Just go over real quick. The file we'll be working with is going to be in your home directory, and specifically it's going to be .bashrc. If you don't have a .bashrc, you need to go to copy from etc scale and cd etc scale. There we go, and there it is there. So you'll just copy that into your home directory. You'll also want to do that to your root directory. You'll need to be super user to do that. So let's take a look. Jump right into bashrc. Oops, this is the one on scale, so we're going to cd back to home. Alright, full screen it. Let's take a look at what this does. So you'll get basically to there from the scale directory. If you want to start customizing it, you start here inside the quote here. Backslash and backslash is a new line. So when you go to say here and you hit cd to etc, you'll notice there's a space in here. If that space was not there, then they'd be bunched together right below. So this would be right up against it. So when you do this type of PS1, it's a good idea to have a space in between so they don't get crammed together and too busy on the screen. So you started off with backslash and backslash, and then you start. This is a format you'll get used to here. This is defining a color. It's backslash open bracket back E whatever, and then 01 means bold. I'm going to check real quick that my input is working. Looks like it is. Okay. So 01 is bold, and then 34 is the color. And 34 in this case is this bluish color here that is on all the lining, the bars and parentheses. So that defines the color, and then that defines the color for this section right here, which is basically from right here to there. So you notice that's the same thing. And then we define another color here, the same format. And then I put @ in here. You don't need @. I have it in there just because I want to say @ the host name. So I added that @ in there. But then the host name is defined from here to here. So this $ host name, parentheses or a percentage, whatever. So you define the color, and then the output to there, and then I define the color again back to the bar color 34. It's the same as over here for the next section of bars from there to there. So again, if you go here, you'll note that that defines this right here to here. So you see those are the same thing. And then we went with 137, which is bold white. So bold white, and then \u is the user. So that's the same as your login username. And so it's bold white, just like you see it here, bold white. And then we define the color again back to the standard bar color to keep it consistent. So then we define the color for that section there, which represents from here to here. And then the next section, we color it 33. 33 is yellow, which I have for the clock. So we did yellow, and then \t is the timestamp for when you hit enter. And then it's same deal. Define a color for the next section, which is from there to there. And then I have a new line again, so that's going to go to jump you from here to here. And then then we define the color at 34, and we print out this section, which again represents from right there to there. And we define 32, which is the green. So, this green here that we see at ETC. 32 is green, and then I left a space before and after, so I like to have a little bit of space for my path, just easier to see rather than being right up against the parentheses. So you can put spaces anywhere you want. If you want spaces between your host name, spaces before and after here and there, then just add spaces. Like if I wanted to add spaces for my host name, you could pretty much put it anywhere in here. You could just put space there and space there if you wanted, and that would give you a host. Let's just go ahead and show you. So quit, save, to CHE. Now there are spaces before and after the host name. So I'm going to get rid of those because I don't like them there, but that just shows you that you can do that anywhere you want. So space and then \W is your path. Again, that's just wherever you are in your directory. If you want to take it to XDG, and then to awesome. Why isn't that working? Screwed something up. Oh, just XDG, and then awesome, and then C. There you go. So then we define back to the standard bar color, which is 34, the bluish color, and then that represents that section there. And then went with 32 again, which is the same color as your path I did for the $sign, so you can make that any color you want as well. So that's pretty much it, how to do it. I'm going to quit out of this. I just did something funky here. I'm just going to quit out. And so now the root is just a slightly different color, and I'm going to change something in there. Yeah, so let's go ahead and go in there. CD to home, which is root. Home represents root, so we just do vim. Let's just do an LSA. We have dot bash rc. So if you don't have it, copy it from Skell. So it would just be, if you do a fresh install, you won't have a root.bashrc. So you just do copy etc skell dot bashrc to, if you're already in here, you just do that or root, and you'll get it. And you make sure you're editing the right one. This will be because I'm here, this will be at root. Again, working directory, so I'm at root, vim.bashrc. So these colors are slightly different, as you can see. Oops. Slightly different colors. 31 is red, so everywhere that was 34 is now 31. 35 is the same for the host name. 30 is gray, so I went with the gray user. And 31 again red, 30 which is gray user, 31 red for the bar, 33 the same color for the clock. If you look, it's the same color. And then 34 for the path. So the path is now the blue color that was the bars here. And I'm in trouble here. Alright, and then 31 again for that, 34 for the path, and then I did 34 again for the hash sign for root. So again, I'm just defining it there, and then I'm bold gray as my output. So if I were to do cd home, so you see that my text is also a different color for root. So that's about it. I'll post both of these PS1s to Pastebin like I did before. If you don't have my last one, let me go ahead and bring it up. If you don't have my last one, which was slightly different, So here's a paste bin for my old ones. So this was just the green MSJ, and then some different colors. You can see 31 was red here, 35 is that magenta color, 31 red again, 37 white with no bold. Host name defined the same way. 32 is green. 36, can't remember what 36 is. Might be another green or something like that. But yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'd be happy to help. Take care.